Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow a Kit. So I hope you can all hear me and see me okay. I've kind of got my camera just kind of balanced over there, but it should be alright. So in today's video, we're going to be growing some apple seeds, apple trees from seed. So it's a really simple process, but I will take you through the whole thing and I'll show you how to germinate your seeds and how to repot the plants once they've started growing. So from the time I put these seeds in to now, I've just finished recording the video. This was about 1 month, so from 1 month from putting your apple seed in, this is what you'll get. So if you're interested, this is a really fun project, especially for kids, and you never know, you might come up with a nice apple variety. Just one note I should make is that if you are growing them from seed, apple trees, you won't get the exact type of apple that the seed come from. You may well get a nice apple, but you could also end up with a crab apple or any other type of apple really. So these are just more for decoration and the possibility that you might get a nice variety of apple. So if you're interested in what I've just said, stay tuned and we'll make a start. I'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, so we've got our apple. We're hoping that this has got some good seeds in it, but you never know for sure. So we're going to cut this up and eat it, and we'll see how many seeds it's got. Okay, so it has got a fair few seeds in it, and a nice plump just starting to germinate, so that's a good sign. Generally the apples in the shops are kept and refrigerated, so the seeds tend to sprout as soon as you get them into warm environment. So we'll see how many seeds we get out of this one apple. There's quite a few. So we've got 7 in here. So as you can see, quite a few of them have already started to germinate, so they should be up pretty quickly after we put them in the compost. Okay, so I've just filled a little pot up with some compost, and I'm literally just going to press the seeds in and cover them over. You can make a hole with pencil, or you can place them on the surface and then add more compost on top, but it's quite difficult to do with one hand, so I'm just going to press them in, not too deep, but I'll show you. Just literally just push them into the surface, and then once we're done, I'll make sure none of them are sticking out, and these should be up in a few days, I would imagine. Definitely within a week these will be up. They grow incredibly fast. Right, so they're all just about all covered up, and they keep coming up again, but it's a pretty simple process. Just put them in the pot and cover them over. And then we're just going to give them a little bit of water, not too much. We just want the seeds to be nice and damp and in contact with the compost. Any that you uncover by accident, just cover over. And then, just to keep a bit of warmth in here and to keep the humidity up, all I'm going to do is take a sandwich bag, and you can use any scrap clear plastic just to cover them over. Just creates a little mini greenhouse environment inside the pot and helps them to germinate. Okay, so this is only about a week later now, and the majority of these have started coming up already, so that's good, and I'm sure the rest of them will follow. So sometimes the seed casing will get stuck, but you can very gently help that off, or you can just leave it and it will pop off on its own. So we will leave these uncovered now. We won't put the bag back on. and we'll make sure we try to give these as much light as possible, and don't forget to keep the compost damp. So probably need to water these a couple of times a week, I would imagine. See, there is the other ones starting to sprout in there, so we'll get back to these again. Okay, so this is about another week or so later now, and they've all germinated. There's one straggler in there, but I think that's actually all the seeds that have come up now. I think we put 7 or 8. I've been poking, it wasn't just from that one apple. I did do another pot of these as well, so there's about 8 in here, and they're all doing well. So I'll get back to you again soon, and we'll be repotting these because they'll get pretty root bound in here pretty quick if you just leave them in this pot, and eventually they will die. So we'll get these repotted in a minute. Okay everyone, so these have been going about a month or so now, these apples, and they're doing well. We've got 7 in there, I think. So pretty much every single one of them come up alright. So today I am going to be repotting these. Just going to be using just compost mixed with sand. So it's 1 part sand to 2 parts compost. Just gives you a nice free draining mixture. So I'll set the tripod up and we'll start repotting these. Okay everyone, so I'm just going to put them in these 3-litre pots. I'll show you one and then I'll get the rest done off camera to save boring you with the whole thing. So see the roots there. So we'll get the biggest one off first. So it's just a case of just gently separating each individual plant. So there's a little one there. We'll just get rid of that one. Like I said, it's just a case of separating each one and filling up the pot. And just break up any lumps you find, any big chunks, and just fill the pot right up to the top, and gently firm it down, give it a bit of a shake and a tap to settle the compost. We'll make a hole right in the middle, and take your seedling, and pop him in, and just cover over, and press it down. That's all there is to it. Now you can put a bamboo stake in as well if you want to. I might do that at some point, but for now these are going to be in the lean-to outside. It's still really cold outside. So get back to you once I've finished potting all these up. Right, so that's all them apple trees potted up. So we got 10 quite good sizes. The 3 little ones I've just popped in the same pot here. So we'll see how they go. I'll choose the best one and then pull the other 2 out and either repot them or just get rid of them. So it's quite a simple thing to do, to grow apple trees from seed. The only problem is you're not entirely sure what variety of apple you're going to get, like I said, but it's a fun thing to do, and no matter what, you're going to get a nice tree. So there's no downside to it really. Okay everyone, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you found some of the information in this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed it. So we've ended up with 10 apple trees. I'll keep you updated on these in future videos. But thanks a lot for watching everyone. If you haven't already done so, if you could subscribe to my channel, that would be absolutely fantastic. It just helps the channel to grow and helps me to get more views on my videos. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video as well. And if you've got any questions or advice, feel free to leave a comment. So I'll see you on the next video. Hope you all have a great week. See you later.